There's no excuse for not recording and creating content since nowadays we already have cameras in our pockets. Everyone can make online content. But if you want to up your game, here are top 3 mobile apps and top 3 smartphone accessories to improve your mobile photography and videography. Hey guys, this is Mark and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the apps, but the other half of this video will be discussed by our guest, a talented vlogger, a photographer, and my brother, Raz, who will be showing you his top 3 smartphone accessories.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Raz, and thank you Mark for that introduction. So today we're going to talk about 3 accessories or 3 mobile accessories for your smartphone photography and cinematography. So as we know, smartphones nowadays are really powerful or powerful enough to do creative content. We don't have to have DSLRs or mirrorless cameras to do so. We just need our mobile phone and some few accessories just to up our game a little bit and to enhance those, creativity. So here are my top 3 accessories that I use for mobile photography or cinematography. Alright, so for my first item, it's gonna be one of the most important accessory that you need in photography in general, not only for mobile but also for like DSLRs. So for my first accessory, it's gonna be a portable LED or any pocket-sized LED light. So why is it important? It's because you can use this in different kinds of scenarios, not only at night shots, but you can also use them at daytime shots. So there are different kinds of brands out there. Just make sure you choose the one that has different brightness settings so you could use them in different kind of situations. So for my first accessory, it's gonna be a portable pocket-sized LED light.
For our first app, Adobe Lightroom. Of course, even professional photographers do need to edit their shots. Whether they need to reframe the shot, to adjust brightness, adjust contrast, color grade, and even add sharpness. Adobe Lightroom is very capable of doing these things, and most of all, it is free. It's available for both iOS and Android, so you can download it now.
Alright, for my next item, it's going to be important exclusively for videography. So second accessory would be an external mic or a lavalier. Why is it important? It's because, if you do your own vlogs outside, it's going to be windy. So you need an external mic, to pick your voice rather than pick up wind. So an external mic is really useful, not only for yourself, but also if you want to interview someone else, you can just hand this to them and continue recording, So this is really, really helpful. You can be creative with this, not only, people you could use like on cars, if you go to car shows, car people, you know what I mean. So you can use an external mic or a lavalier. As for my second item.
Next on our list is a video recording app called Filmic Pro. Since smartphones nowadays are very powerful and has the ability to record high quality videos, some movies are recorded entirely using a smartphone device. Other YouTube channels have recorded short films using their smartphone. I'll put a link of some of those videos in the description below so you can watch it after this video. Filmic Pro gives you a lot of control. For example, you can change the white balance, you can change the exposure, you can do manual focusing, you can change the ISO, you can change your shutter speed. Heck, you can even use a log for your color profile. Unfortunately, unlike Adobe Lightroom, Filmic Pro is a paid app. This professional video recording app is also available for both iOS and Android.
Alright, so for my third and last item, it's not really necessary or, it's a little bit expensive, but it is really useful if you have it. So you know how the DSLRs and mirrorless cameras has their own stabilization or electronic stabilization like the GoPros. I mean, smartphone has one too, but not as good. Not all of them is good as DSLRs. So it would be much better if you have your own smartphone or mobile phone gimbal. So this piece of tool is really helpful exclusively for videography. So this thing, you can get more creative with this thing. So this is really helpful, and this thing is a really good investment if you're really into videography. I mean, you could also use this in photography, but it's more on videography. So why? It's because you can just angle this anywhere. You can do time lapse, you can do, slow mos, perfect, perfect stabilization. So that's for my third last item, is a mobile phone gimbal or smartphone gimbal.
Our third app on the list is a professional video editing software, LumaFusion. Similar to Filmic Pro, LumaFusion is a paid app and is also available for both iOS and Android. This app is a very powerful editing software where you can cut or trim your shots, do color correction, do color grading, add video effects, use some transitions, add and edit sound effects, layer your shots, and of course, exporting your video with different settings like changing the resolution.
So that's it for me, guys, and thanks for watching my top 3 accessories that I use for my smartphone photography or cinematography. I hope you find it useful, and thanks again, Mark, for making me guest on your channel. So see you guys around.
If you like this video, subscribe to this channel so you'll get to watch future videos similar to this one. Thanks again, Raz, for joining me in this video and sharing your smartphone accessories. And hey, if you want to improve your mobile photography skills, watch this video.